Now students, on the Cartesian product, there is an exercise given in your NCERT book, that is exercise 2.1. I am going to solve few questions from that exercise, and rest of the questions which I will not solve here, that will be homework for you, and if you have any doubt from that questions, then you can ask that questions from through the WhatsApp group. Okay, so the first question of this exercise is, if x by 3 plus 1 y minus 2 by 3 that is equal to 5 by 3 1 by 3, then what will be the value of x and y here? Clearly see its solution. That is very easy question for you. This is an ordered pair and they are equal, and recently we discussed ordered pair will be only equal when their corresponding entries, corresponding members, corresponding components are equal. Means this x by 3 plus 1 will be equal to 5 by 3. Clearly x by 3 plus 1 must be equal to 5 by 3. Then from here x by 3 is equal to what? 5 by 3 minus 1 by 1 can be written as LCM will be 3. So 3 1 is 3, 1 5 is 5, minus 1 3 is 3, 3 1 is 3. This is x upon 3. Okay, so 3 and 3 will be cancelled here. What we have? X is equal to 2. Okay, and the second entry, this is y minus 2 by 3 will be equal to 1 by 3. So from here y is equal to what? 1 by 3 plus, transfer this minus 2 by 3 to right side, that is plus 2 by 3. So here LCM will be 3. So 3 1 ja 3, that is 1, and this is 2, that will be 3 upon 3. Clearly that is equal to 1. So y is 1 and x is 2. Okay. The next question. Question number second. That is also very easy question. Question number second. If set A has 3 elements, number of elements in set A is 3, and the set B is containing 3 4 5, means that number of elements in B also 3. Then find the number of elements in A Cartesian product B. Then how many elements in A Cartesian product B? That is the question. So that is very easy question for you. You know that n A Cartesian product B is equal to n A into n B. Clearly n A is here 3 and n B is also 3. There are 3 elements. Okay, that is 3 elements. So how many elements there in A Cartesian product B? That is 9 elements. Okay. Now question number 4. Read question number 4, everyone. Question number 4. State whether each of the following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. अगर statement गलत है तो correct statement लिखिए. Here in first, here P is given containing 2 elements M and N, and Q is given containing 2 elements N and M. Then P cross Q, P Cartesian Q, product Q is having only 2 elements M N and N M. So is it correct? No, this is wrong. That is false. Why false? In the first step, you can see here how many elements in P? 2 elements. And how many elements in Q? 2 elements. So how many elements in P Cartesian product Q? 2 into 2, that is 4 elements. But here you can see there are only 2 elements. One ordered pair another order pair, only two elements in p cartesian product q. So clearly that is false. So what will be the correct statement? So find out p cartesian product q. It will be, पहले आप m बोलो, m इसके साथ ऑर्डर पेयर बनाओ, फिर m बोलो, इसके साथ ऑर्डर पेयर बनाओ. After that take n with n and n with m. N with m. So that is the correct statement. P cartesian product q have four elements, that is ordered pair of nm, mm, nn, nm. Okay. Now second statement. See what is the second statement there. If A and B are non-empty sets, then A Cartesian product B is a non-empty set of ordered pair xy where x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Correct. True. Here A Cartesian product B is collection of xy where x belongs to A and y belongs to B. यही उसने कहा है. So that is correct statement. That is true. And third statement, see what is the third statement? If A is a set containing two elements 1 and 2, B is another set containing two elements 3 and 4, then A Cartesian product B intersection phi will be equal to phi. A Cartesian product B intersection phi equal to phi. Is it true or false? So I am going to check this, that is correct or that is true or false. See, consider this one. A Cartesian product B intersection phi, that is equal to, see, this is A Cartesian product, see this is B intersection phi. इंटरसेक्शन, तो B और phi में जो कॉमन एलिमेंट है उनको लेंगे. क्लियरली phi में कोई एलिमेंट नहीं है, तो phi का किसी के साथ भी इंटरसेक्शन लेंगे तो phi ही मिलेगा. सो दिस वन इज phi, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू phi. B intersection phi, सी phi इज सबसेट ऑफ B, और जब भी A B का सबसेट होता है तो उनका इंटरसेक्शन A आता है और यूनियन B आता है. तो phi इंटरसेक्शन B आप क्या आएगा? दैट इज phi. क्लियरली दैट इज इक्वल टू phi. एंड रिसेंटली वी डिस्कस्ड दैट इफ एनी वन ऑफ द टू सेट्स इज empty set, null set, then their Cartesian product will be also null set. ओके, दो में से कोई भी या दोनों के दोनों अगर नल सेट है, phi है, तो उनका कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट हमेशा पाई आएगा. अभी तुरंत हमने डिस्कस किया. सो क्लियरली दिस A कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट B intersection phi will be equal to phi. This is correct. That is true statement. Okay, so that is question number 4. Now question number 5. Question number 5. A is here, minus 1 1 means collection of two elements. Then find A cross A cross A. Simple. First find out A cross A cross A find out. So first element A का होगा, second element A का होगा. That will be minus 1 minus 1, minus 1 1, then 1 minus 1, then 1 1. Okay, that is your A cross A. Now find out A cross A cross. तो देखो A क्रॉस A आपने फाइंड आउट किया है, उसका A के साथ पार्टीशन प्रोडक्ट ले लो. तो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट कहाँ का होना चाहिए इसमें? पर इसको दो सेट्स की तरह ले, इसको ए ले इसको बी ले, तो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट यहाँ का होना चाहिए और सेकंड एलिमेंट यहाँ का। इसका मतलब इसका इसके साथ ऑर्डर्ड पेयर ले लो। -1 फिर -1, फिर दिस वन एंड दिस वन, -1 -1 1, फिर दिस वन with this one, -1 1 -1, this one and this one, then this one, -1 1 1, then this one and this one, 1 -1 1 -1 minus, one -1 minus, then 1 -1 1, then 1 1 minus, then 1 1 1. So that is a coordination product A cross A cross. Okay. Question number 6. Question number 6. If A cross B is, if A Cartesian product B is AX, AY, BX, BY, then find A and B. Okay? Clearly, इसमें जितने भी ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स हैं उनके फर्स्ट एलिमेंट सेट ए के होंगे और सेकंड एलिमेंट सेट बी के होंगे। क्लियरली सेट ए में क्या आएगा? ए बी बी। बट वी नो दैट सेट्स में एलिमेंट्स को रिपीट करने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती, रिपीट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, रिपीटेशंस आर नॉट अलाउड इन द सेट्स। तो ए को 2 टाइम्स लिखने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है। सो ए ओनली 1 टाइम एंड बी ओनली 1 टाइम. So there are 2 elements in set A and in set B that is the second elements. So x, y, again x, no need to write, again y, no need to write. So that is, so set A is this one, set B is this one. Okay, so that's enough for today. There are 3 questions remaining, question number 7, 8 and 9 in exercise 2.1. That is homework for you. Next time I will discuss these 3 questions also, and we will read about relations next time. Okay, so thank you for today.